Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Brains View. As you know, nowadays I am almost daily posting a video based on the Fantasy League to be played in IPL 2021. So today the match will take place at Narendra Modi Stadium, Gujarat, and the teams playing will be Royal Challengers Bangalore and Punjab Kings. Okay, in this video we will discuss about the pitch, about the players to be played, and the players that will give you more points, whom you can make captain or vice captain in your fantasy league. Fantasy league, there are many fantasy league apps like My 11 Circle, Dream 11, Game Z, House That, and many else. So that also will discuss which one is better for you to play, and what type of teams and what type of leagues you need to make. Okay, fine. First of all, I would like to tell you about the pitch. This Narendra Modi Stadium, till now, as we have seen, there is some grass on the pitch, as a result of which seamers are getting some aid. Seamers means fast bowlers. So you need to take more seamers than spinners. Further, we have seen the team batting second is winning most of the games because of the dew. So if there is no cloud, there will be a big dew factor. See, for the second innings, it becomes very difficult for the bowlers to bowl if there is so much of dew, because the ball gets wet. Even after 10 overs, when the new ball is taken, then also after playing 1 or 2 overs down along the ground, if the batsman is batting along the ground, the ball rolls over the grasses and it is totally covered with dew. So the spinners find it very difficult to hold the ball, and even the pacers also. You have seen in some of the matches I played earlier what dew makes. Have you seen that match in which Jasprit Bumrah, he slipped down due to the dew and ball was thrown away from his hands? So that happens because of dew. So if there is no cloud, then definitely dew will play a factor. So you need to take more players from the team batting second, because their batsmen will be batting easily due to the dew factor, and their bowlers will not face the problem of dew. Why? Because they will bowl first when there will be no dew. So toss is an important one, and you need to finalize your teams after the toss only. So another possibility is that the Narendra Modi Stadium is having a red soil pitch also. So if all of a sudden the team management, not team management, the BCCI or IPL management you can say, if they decide to have the match on the red soil pitch, then things might change, because the red soil pitch breaks down very easily, aiding the spinners. Okay, that's just a probability. And for now, we'll discuss about the black soil pitch only, because till now all the matches had been played in black soil pitch only. In this IPL, I'm saying over. So black soil, it doesn't break easily, so seamers get the benefit. Also, batsmen can score good runs. Okay, so that was the pitch report. So now we would like to proceed further about the playing 11. See, playing 11 might change a bit after the toss. For now, no website can tell you the exact playing 11. Why? Because the team are to be finalized at 7 o'clock only during the toss. So at 7 o'clock, you search out in any website, you'll see the final teams. 1 or 2 changes might be there, and you'll know who will bat first and bowl first and everything. So again, I would like to repeat, the team batting first might face some difficulties, and the team batting second will not face any difficulty in batting, because dew factor will play an important role. Similarly, the team bowling first will find it easy to bowl, but the team bowling second will find it very difficult due to the dew factor. So quite simple, the team batting second, you have to take more players from the team batting second, that is the team which is bowling first. Okay, fine. Let's have a look at the probable 11 for both the teams. Okay, so now you can see on the screen you have the teams. So as you know, in most of the fantasy apps, the teams are divided into 4 groups: wicketkeeper, batsman, all-rounder, and then bowlers. So we will discuss one by one which people to take. So the final playing 11 will come at 7 o'clock only. So for now, we are taking the probable playing 11. Royal Challengers Bangalore, have a look at the team. Kohli and Padikkal will open. Patidar will come at number 3. Then comes Maxwell, De Villiers, Washington Sundar, Daniel Sams, and then the bowlers. The bowlers, you have Harshal Patel as the best bowler. Mohammad Siraj is also not bad. Yuzvendra Chahal, the spinner, although not in great form. Then Kyle Jamieson. Okay, he is fine player also. Punjab team also you have KL Rahul and Agarwal opening. Gale come at number 3. Out of Puran or Malan, somebody will play. Till now, Puran have played, but team management might think to drop him because he has not performed yet in that type of case. Deepak Huda will definitely play. Shah Rukh Khan will play. Hendricks, Jordan or Meredith, one of them will play. And Ravi Bisnoi, he's a spinner, so you can take him if they bowl first. Don't take Ravi Bishnoi if Punjab is bowling second, because I said earlier about the dew factor. So Mohammad Sami and Arshdeep Singh will be the pacers. Okay, let's have a look at the batsman first. In Royal Challengers Bangalore, Virat Kohli, Padikkal, and Patidar. Three batsmen you will have. And in this Punjab team, Mayank Agarwal, Gale. Only two batsmen. If Malan plays in place of Puran, then Malan is a batsman. He will be seen in the under the batsman category only in the fantasy apps. If Puran plays, although he will not wicket keeper, he will not be the wicket keeper in the team, but in this fantasy league apps, Puran is shown under the wicket keeper section only. So that you have to check out. So for now, let us suppose Malan will play or Puran will play. I don't think we are going with him. Okay. Now whom we will take? We have total of 5 batsmen. Kohli, Padikkal, Patidar, then Agarwal and Gale. So whom we will take? Kohli, yes, you can't leave him. Definitely take him. Padikkal also is in good form now. Although in the previous matches, not previous matches, in the starting 2-3 matches he flopped, but then he is performing. Patidar is also playing well. So you take all 3 of them. Here also Mayank Agarwal, definitely take him. You will open the innings. Chris Gale, if you have trust on him, you can take. Otherwise, you can leave. Last match he got out on 0, but it doesn't mean he will get out on 0 every day. Today he might perform. So okay, for now I am taking him in my team. So how many players I have taken till now? 1, 2 from Punjab and 3 from RCB. Okay. So these are the 5 batsmen we have taken. 6 more to take. Total of players. Okay, now let's have a look at the wicket keepers. Let me clear it first. In the wicket keeper section, you will get AB de Villiers, KL Rahul, and if Nicholas Puran plays, then he will be taken. So whom to select? AB de Villiers you can't leave, so I am taking him. KL Rahul also you can't leave him. I am taking Puran. See, out of Malan and Puran, if Malan plays, you can take Malan. He is a good player. In fact, he is the number 1 player in the world. But as only 4 players are allowed in a team in IPL, that's why he didn't get a chance till now. Puran is not in good form, so in short leagues you leave him. But in grand leagues, where more than 1 lakh people are playing or 50,000 people are playing, you should try Puran. Even if you can make him captain also in those leagues, because in those leagues he will win only if you do something extraordinary. In normal teams you can't win. So okay, currently this team is for short leagues and medium leagues only. So I am leaving Puran. So out of the wicket keepers, we have taken de Villiers and KL Rahul, 2 wicket keepers, 5 batsmen, 2 wicket keeper. So total of 7 players we have taken, 5 more left. Okay. Now let's have a look at the all-rounders. Which all-rounders you will have in both the teams? Glenn Maxwell, the ballistic all-rounder. He takes a few wickets also whenever required, and batting, he is an aggressive player. You can't leave him. He is in good form also. Even in the India-England series, you have seen how much he is performing. So Glenn Maxwell is not a player to leave. Although he will come at number 4, still he can be a pick of choices. Okay, de Villiers. De Villiers is the keeper. Washington Sundar. We are considering all-rounders for now. Daniel Sams. Kyle Jamieson will bat also, but in these fantasy leagues, he is kept under the bowler section only. Most of the fantasy leagues, there might be changes also. So in the probable 11 of Royal Challengers Bangalore, we have Glenn Maxwell, Washington Sundar, and Daniel Sams as the all-rounders. In Punjab, who are the all-rounders? Deepak Hooda, Shah Rukh Khan, Moises Hendricks. 3 all-rounders you are having. Okay, so whom you will take? Glenn Maxwell, as I said earlier, you can't leave him. Washington Sundar, no use. He's not in good form. You can take some risk if you want to take, but I don't suggest. Daniel Sams, I think he will not play. After the toss, you will get to know the final team. I think Daniel Christian might be playing in place of Sams. Anyway, whosoever plays, we won't take them. So I'm leaving it. Only Glenn Maxwell we are taking. Only one all-rounder from RCB. Now from Punjab Kings. Out of Deepak Hooda and Shah Rukh Khan, one player you have to take. See, Shah Rukh Khan is not getting bowling opportunities, but he's a good batsman. He's a great finisher. Even if he get to play 10 to 12 balls, he can score some quick runs. He hits sixes also. And you know, in fantasy leagues, sixes give you extra bonus points. So taking Shah Rukh Khan will not be a bad idea. But if you want to go for Hooda, you can go. See, Hooda is an all-rounder, but he's a spin all-rounder. And this pitch is not that type of spin friendly. So I don't think Hooda is the best choice. You can take. If you wish, you can take. I don't have any issues. But I will go with Shah Rukh Khan. Okay. Moises Hendricks will leave. So out of these 3 all-rounders, I am taking Shah Rukh Khan. You can take Deepak Hooda if you wish. Moises Hendricks, I am leaving. Hooda also I am leaving for my team. So 2 all-rounders we have taken. Glenn Maxwell from RCB and Shah Rukh Khan from Punjab. So total how many players we have taken till now? 5 batsmen, 2 wicket keepers we have taken, and now 2 all-rounders. So total we have 9 players now. 2 more left. Okay. Let's see the bowler section. So bowling options. What are bowling options do you have? Kyle Jamieson, Harshal Patel, Yuzvendra Chahal, and Mohammad Siraj. In Punjab side, what are bowling options are there? You have Chris Jordan or Riley Meredith. Only one of them will play. Ravi Bishnoi, the spinner, Mohammad Shami, and Arshdeep Singh. Okay. See, out of these bowlers, whom to take? This is a fast ball kind of pitch. So I am leaving the spinners. You can take if you have trust on them. I can't say that, and nobody can say, in fact, that surely this player will perform or not. Okay, for now in my team, I am leaving Yuzvendra Chahal, and from this Punjab Kings also Ravi Bishnoi, I am leaving because they are spinners. Now among the pacers, Chris Jordan or Riley Meredith, whosoever play, they haven't yet shown any kind of form, so they take 1 wicket or 0 wicket. So I am leaving them also, whosoever plays. Mohammad Shami and Arshdeep Singh. You have to take one of these two. I will go with Mohammad Shami. Arshdeep Singh has not yet performed that much, but he can perform in any match. But for today, I am going with Mohammad Shami. Arshdeep, I am leaving. Kyle Jamieson, good bowler. He takes 1 or 2 wickets, but still I am leaving him because we don't have much place in the team. We have to take total of 11 only, and only 2 bowlers we are taking in our team. See, in some of the apps like Dream 11, they mandate it to take at least 3 bowlers. So you have to choose accordingly. But in this app, in My 11 Circle, you can go for only 1 bowler. If you see it's a batting friendly pitch, you can go with only 1 bowler. So this pitch is neither completely batting friendly, not good for bowlers. So we take a balanced team. So I'll go with 2 bowlers. So Kyle Jamieson and Yuzvendra Chahal we have left. Out of Harshal Patel and Mohammad Siraj, you need to take one. Both of them are good bowlers. Harshal Patel is the best performer in this season till now. So most people will go with Harshal Patel. If you want to play safe, go with Harshal Patel. But if you want to take a bit of risk, you can go for Mohammad Siraj. In my team, I am going with Mohammad Siraj, crossing Harshal Patel. Although it's a risk, you should take Harshal Patel if you want to go safe. Okay. But I like to take some risks in this fantasy leagues because it's necessary if you want to win big. Even in short leagues also you have to take some minor risks, and that minor risk I am taking here. I am taking Mohammad Siraj in place of Harshal Patel. So in the bowlers department we have taken Mohammad Siraj from Royal Challengers Bangalore and Mohammad Shami from Punjab Kings. So that's my team. 11 players are completed, 9 taken earlier, 2 from the bowlers. Okay, now let's have a short look of all the players. Well, before that, we would like to discuss about the captain and vice captain. It's a very important thing to take the best captain or vice captain. See, Virat Kohli. If we see the previous records, Virat Kohli got out in the ball of Mohammad Shami several times. Virat Kohli is a great player, but he has some problems to pick up the length of Mohammad Shami or like that. So that's the reason we are taking Virat Kohli not as captain. We are taking him as a batsman only. And Mohammad Shami, we have taken the team for sure because we think he can easily get out Virat Kohli. That's why we have left Ardeep Singh and taken Mohammad Shami. Okay, fine. Well, still nobody can say for sure. If you prefer making Virat Kohli the captain, you can go for him. But don't make Virat Kohli captain in the big leagues. Most people will make. For captain and vice captain, I will go with Devdutt Padikkal and Mayank Agarwal. Devdutt Padikkal and Mayank Agarwal. Why I am choosing these two? Because they are good players, they open the innings and they have full opportunity to play maximum runs. They can even play for 20 overs if they play well on that day. And most people will take Kohli and Rahul also only as their captain to play safe. But see, you need to take some risk. Rahul, most people will take. So I won't go with Rahul. I'll go with Mayank Agarwal and Padikkal. See, you can't win every match. So I am only taking the risk as if we play three, we should try to win two out of those three. And if we take the confirmed players, this KL Rahul and Virat Kohli, if are going for captain and vice captain, all of them will take, all the our contestants will take, and there's quite possibility that our other players may or may not perform, and then we'll lose the match, we'll lose the game. So why taking is that type of confirmed players? Take some risky players. So for short leagues also, I suggest Padikkal and Mayank Agarwal. After that, it's up to you only. Some people might take Rajat Patidar also. Even Maxwell and De Villiers. De Villiers is also a good choice for captain. Although he will come down the order. If RCB bats first, you can make De Villiers the captain. If RCB bats second, don't take De Villiers because he may not get batting opportunity. So that's the concept. Now let's have a look at the entire team. Okay, for now I am taking Padikkal as the captain and Mayank Agarwal as vice captain. See, you have to change it at 7 o'clock after the toss. If RCB bats first, then take the vice captain from their team. The team batting first, you should take vice captain from their team, and the team batting second, you should take captain from the team. Even you have seen in the yesterday's match also, my predictions were for Prithvi Shaw and Subman Gill. So the team of Subman Gill batted first, so I made Subman Gill as vice captain. And the team of Prithvi Shaw, that is Delhi Capitals, they batted second, so I made Prithvi Shaw as my captain. And see, that worked fine. So today also, because second innings has dew, and in the dew factor, the team batting second gets the benefit. So make captain from the team batting second and make the vice captain from the team batting first. It's preferable. Even in some matches, you can make both captain and vice captain from the team batting second. Like if RCB is batting second, you can make Padikkal as your captain and Kohli as your vice captain. See why I am asking you to make Padikkal captain and Kohli vice captain. One more reason. You see, whenever both of them performs well, Padikkal plays faster than Kohli. Earlier we had seen when Kohli was much younger. That time whosoever bats with Kohli, batted faster, and the person batting with him followed him. But now what's happening? Kohli has become a senior player now. He has to play with responsibility. So Kohli bats very sensibly, and as a result of which Padikkal scores faster than Kohli. So that's why if you want to make Kohli and Padikkal as your captain and vice captain, so make Padikkal captain and Kohli vice captain. Okay, now let's have a look at all the players that we have taken. Captain and vice captain, you have seen. Other players, two players already we have taken. This Kohli, then Patidar also we have taken. Maxwell also, and De Villiers also. You can take some risk leaving De Villiers if they bat second, and take one more bowler if they bat second. if you want to take that kind of risk. Otherwise, you can take De Villiers to play safe. And out of the bowlers, I'm taking Mohammad Siraj. Most people will take Harshal Patel. So it's your choice. You go for Harshal Patel or Mohammad Siraj. Harshal Patel has taken wicket in every match and he's the most consistent performer. And if you want to take some risk only, then only go for Siraj. Otherwise, take Harshal Patel for your safe playing. But in my team, I'm taking some risk and picking up Mohammad Siraj. Here we are taking KL Rahul, Gale, and then from the bowlers, Mohammad Shami, another middle order player we have taken, Shah Rukh Khan. So that's my team. You can note it down: Kohli, Padikkal, Patidar, Maxwell, De Villiers, Siraj, and from Punjab, Rahul, Mayank Agarwal, Gale, Shah Rukh Khan, and Mohammad Shami. Padikkal as captain and Mayank Agarwal as vice captain. It will change after the toss. If Punjab bowls first, that is, if Punjab bats second, I'll make Mayank Agarwal as my captain. And if RCB bats first, I'll make Devdutt Padikkal as my vice captain. So that the person batting in second innings will make him captain, and the person batting in first innings will make him vice captain. That concept you have to follow. So basically, this is the team. This is the team for short leagues and the medium to kind of leagues in which you win 4x up to some rank. That type of innings, this team is the best. To play grand leagues, you have to take some funky kind of captain, like you make Mohammad Siraj captain or Mohammad Shami captain, Arshdeep Singh you can make captain, or you can make Chahal captain. Like that you have to play to win the grand leagues, so that you lose most of the matches, but when you win the grand league, you win lakhs of rupees, even more than 1 crore you can win. Even some of the apps offer you to win more than 1 crore, 2 crore also some apps do offer. But for the regular leagues, for the small leagues, and for the medium kind of leagues, you have to take this team. This is the best team with Padikkal and Mayank Agarwal as captain, vice captain, and you can change it with Kohli also, and then the regular players as I have depicted. Okay, so this is the team. I hope this team will make you win big, and don't copy the team. I say earlier also. So the concepts I have explained you. So based on these concepts, you make your own team, play and win big. Okay, so that was the team. So I hope you have understood the basic concepts, what might take place in today's match. See, you should not copy anybody's team same to same, because no, yes, okay, if you wish you can copy. I'm not saying don't copy, but I'd advise you not to copy anybody's team, not even my team. Why? Because you are playing, it's your risk, it's your winnings, so calculations should also be yours. My video is just for your information purposes. I have clearly explained which players might perform and which players might not. So based on them, you make your own team, make your own captain and vice captain, take players on whom you trust more, and winning is yours. And see, as this is a prediction only, so and in this kind of teams, in this kind of games, it involves some sort of financial risk also. So it's very necessary that you also do your own research, cross check everything, and then only make your team. You play at your own risk, and if you win, then also winnings are yours only. Nobody will ask that I told it this in video, you won, so give me money. Nobody will say like that. You don't need to give anybody anything. Whatever you win, it's yours only. Okay, and the apps, which apps you can use? See, the most popular app obviously Dream 11, and other apps are there like My 11 Circle, GameZ, How's That, and many more. If you ask me which app is best, I prefer My 11 Circle. The ad advertised by Saurav Ganguly, VVS Lakshman, Ranveer Singh, Shane Watson, Rashid Khan, they are involved in this. Why I am asking you to play in My 11 Circle? Because there are many benefits of playing in My 11 Circle. The leagues, they are better. You get a variety of options. Further, in Dream 11, you face a problem of credit limit. If you take all the great players, you lose credits very soon, and as a result, some of your favorite players you have to miss out. In My 11 Circle, no such problem. Credits are very average, so that's why you can take any player that you wish. Further, My 11 Circle also gives you an option to win 1 crore at just rupee 1. So that's a great thing. No other app is giving this type of feature. Also, if you join under my link is given in description. if you join under my link, you get up to 1500 rupees bonus. You just click the link in the description, this video's description. You'll get a link for my 11th circle joining. So click the link, download the app, register, and then you have to invest the amount that you want to play. So it's advisable to invest at least an amount of rupees 1000, because if you invest 1000, that only you can win up to rupees 1500. Okay, if you don't want to invest 1000, then no issues, you can invest 500 or whatever you wish. But it's better to invest 1000, because if you invest rupees 500, you get bonus of up to 500 only, and if you invest rupees 1000, you get bonus of up to 1500. And how the bonus works is, you don't get the entire bonus immediately. You invest, you start playing. With the playing, you get back the bonus in every match up to 1 month. Up to 1 month you get bonus for playing every month. They have a criteria like you play for rupees 40, total rupees 40, then you get rupees 4, and like this up to rupees 1500 you can win. So the more you play, the more you win bonus. So that's the benefit. Even if you don't win most of the matches, the bonus you will still get. So that's a good thing. Many more good features are there in my 11 circle. So if you have not yet downloaded this app, you can click on below link given in description. Click the link, download the app, register, and invest your amount, whatever you want to play. That's your amount only. Nobody is taking you the amount. Whatever amount you play, entire amount is for your playing only. Okay, fine. And if you are playing in other apps also, I don't have any issue, you can play, but I suggest my 11 circle. Okay, I hope you have understood whatever I explained in the video. If you like my video, hit the like button, comment on it if you want anything else, and please subscribe my channel if you have not yet subscribed. And another important thing, click on the bell icon. If the you can click on the bell icon, whenever I get to upload such kind of video, you can get the notification. So it's quite a good idea to subscribe the channel and also click on the bell notification with all notifications. So okay, fine. Enjoy the match. Have a great winnings.